In this session, we like to talk about Synergy, the one that Bob just actually demonstrated. We like to talk about a little bit further, and then I'll let Sam show Synergy with Acumatica and MYOB Advanced ERP systems, and then you can also ask your questions if you have any. As I mentioned earlier, all of our systems are modern systems, and they have the APIs to connect to ERP systems, accounting systems, and other business software systems. In that sense, integration is always an option, and we are more than capable of doing that with our software systems. Let's take it to the next level. Let's talk about what we have. So Synergy is EBA Synergy, is the true cloud version of EBA Classic, the one that we showed you earlier. So they are both the same systems, as we have the know-how of workflow, low-code workflow management. That's one of our know-how, is our specialty. So with the help of Synergy, that is the true cloud version of low-code business process development. It is actually very exciting in a way that it is true cloud. It is multi-tenant. It's operating system free. So it works on Windows, Linux, iOS operating system, and it has a self-maintenance capabilities with no interruption. So that is actually very, very exciting in that sense. And it has a very modern technology underneath. It's truly cloud. And with the help of these, one can use low-code workflow environment that we have, the technology that we have in a true cloud environment. So we have basically two options in a way that you can either install it on your server or cloud environment as a single tenant, or you can use Synergy as a multi-tenant environment. It is also available as SaaS, by the way. So we have two offerings with the modern technology that's available. It is also better to integrate with other systems, CRM systems, manufacturing execution systems, and already integrations with ERP systems, for example. So very, very flexible software system that we have been developing and putting into market as a true cloud environment that's running on .NET Core technology, which is the latest Microsoft development environment that is available in the marketplace. So we are utilizing it as a cross-platform technology underneath. That's why it runs with Windows, Linux, and other operating systems as well, which is actually advantageous nowadays. There are many different applications can be managed, developed, built on it. So earlier, Bob actually demonstrated very nicely and in a detailed manner as to different applications, as for HR onboarding, offboarding, training. He was also talking about some other examples as well developed on these environments. So these are all exciting applications. And there may be a case that companies can have their own business processes that they can use our local development environment to put together applications, forms, and flows. So that is actually very flexible in that sense and ready to use for drag and drop and local development. So having said that, as our final demo of the day, and I'd like to thank you for your time, of course, for your interest. It's been actually a great event for us. I'd like to invite my colleague Sam to our virtual stage. So Sam will be showing Synergy and Acumatica and MYOB advanced screens, as well as an ERP hour that we have. So we like to coordinate our offering with an ERP in this hour. And we'll also talk about and demonstrate Synergy for your view. Sam, are you ready?